In this video, I'll show you how to edit a review on StoryGraph. Start by opening the StoryGraph app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down until you reach the Read section. This section contains all the books you've already completed, and only those books are eligible for reviews. To find the book with the review you want to edit, scroll through this list or tap View All if you have several books listed. Then tap on the book cover to open its page. Once you're on the book page, you'll see the rating you originally gave. With that, you'll notice a small See Review link. Tap on it. You'll now be able to view the full review you previously submitted. At the top of the review section, there's a small pencil icon. Tap on this icon to enter editing mode. From here, you can make any changes or updates you want to your existing review. After making your changes, scroll down and tap Update Review. Your new version of the review will now be saved and applied to that book, and that's how you can edit a review on StoryGraph.